Hello, in this video there are life hacks and inventions that can easily change your life, so watch until the end of the video. Add some hand washing liquid to the water, and we mix it. We make gas bubbles using a gas capsule. Note that these bubbles can only be lit by hand and are not suitable for people under the age of 12. In this part, you can boil any liquid by using direct current of electricity and razor blade. We separate the cover of the wires using a razor. Be careful not to cut your hand while using the razor. Connect 2 strands of wire to the blades according to the video. Place the razor in the matchstick so that none of them are connected to each other. With this ease, you made a skillet that can raise the temperature of water well, and you can use it to make your own brew. Add your tea to the water and watch the change. Is your problem a wet match? So this life hack is for you. Cut a part of the bottle and polish it using sandpaper. Use hot glue to connect the cut parts of the bottle together. Cut the burning part of the matchstick and stick it inside the bottle cap using hot glue. Place your matches safely inside a new match holder and don't worry about them getting wet and damaged. As you can see, there is no damage to the matches. Shape the lid of a lemonade bottle using pliers according to the video. Cut the lemonade lid into sharp ribs using a pair of scissors. Using a nail, make 2 holes in the bottle cap as shown in the video. Pass a thread of desired length through 2 holes and tie. After you spin the thread, the force axis becomes horizontal, and when you pull the thread to the sides, the bottle cap acts like a sharp razor and can easily cut some things like plants and paper. For more ideas and creativity, make sure you subscribe. Thanks for watching the video.